Hi students, this is today's class exercise 5.3 continuity. Already we have completed up to 9th sum. This is from 10th sum. Listen now, solve the following quadratic equations for x up to this x as usual form. Here one differentiation is 2 decimal places. Here we need to use that up to 2 decimal places value. That only newly introduced here. So what is the proceed up to as usual form? So what is a coefficient of x by a 1? What is b? Minus 5. What is c? Minus 10. What is the quadratic formula? Minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Then minus 5 plus or minus square root of what is b? Minus 5 square minus 4 into a1 c minus 10 divided by 2 into 1. Minus into minus plus 5 plus or minus square root of 25 plus 40 divided by 2. Next step 5 plus or minus square root of 65 divided by 2. Listen, here it's a square root term. So square root value means we need you. I hope you all have a log book with you. Now listen, take a log book. Listen, here I mention it. Square root table using a book. Because square root of 2, square root of 3, these are the known value. But square root of 65 we may not know. So take your log book, take a topic, square root topic. You can look, check it into the first value. You have 65. Nearby 65 you have this value. Here I will mention this value. Square root of 65 equal to 8.06. Okay, so listen, you need to look it into your log book. Okay, next 5 plus or minus, instead of square root of 65, 8.06 divided by 2. Next, listen, plus or minus also 5 plus 8.06 by 2, comma 5 minus 8.06 by 2. Next, 5 plus 8.06 by 2, 13.06 by 2, comma 5 minus 3.06 by 2. So if you do simplification, you will be getting 6.53 and this value is minus 1.53. So what are all the roots? So the roots are x equal to 6.53 and minus 1.53. Now listen, 2 decimal places and finding 3 decimal places is very important. Up to this as usual step, but last instead of square root you need to apply the square root value by using log book. 11th sum also in the same. For finding we need to find 2 decimal places. It's not a quadratic equation, we need to convert this into the quadratic equation first. 2x squared minus 1 equal to 7x of next 2x squared minus 7x minus 1 equal to 0. Next what is a? 1. What is b? Minus 7. What is c? Minus 1. What is the quadratic formula? Minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. Next minus into minus 7 plus or minus square root of minus 7 squared minus 4 into a into minus 1 divided by 2 into 2. A value 2. Next 7 into minus plus 7 plus or minus square root of 49 plus 4 divided by 4. Next 7 plus or minus square root of 53 divided by 4. After this, here a value is 2. So plus 8, 57. Next we know what is square root. Using log book, you need to find this value. Square root of 57 value is equal to 7.55. So 7 plus or minus 7.55 by 4. Next step 7 plus 7.55 by 4 and 7 minus 7.55 by 4. So 7 plus 14.55 by 4 and here minus 0.55 by 4. So equal to 3.64. Here minus 0.1. is the answer for this one. Okay, 13th question in the same equation 5x square minus 3x minus 4 equal to 0. Here we need to find three significant figures now. So listen, two significant figures now. After the point we need two decimal values. After the point two decimal values. Here also after the point two decimal values. Two decimal places now compulsory you need to write two. Here three decimal places. So after the point we need 3 points. So listen, as usual form a equal to 5. B equal to minus 3, C equal to minus 4. What is quadratic formula? Minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. What is b? Minus of minus 3a plus or minus square root of what is b? Minus 3 square minus 4 into a5 c minus 4 divided by 2 into what is a5. Minus and minus plus or minus 3 squared and 9 minus and minus plus 5 4s are 20 into 4 80 divided by 5 2s are 10. 3 plus or minus square root of 89 by 10. So listen ma, square root of 89 value you need to look it into your logbook 9.43. Apply here. 3 plus 9.43 by 10. Here 3 minus 9.43 by 10. If you do simply add and divide this, you will be getting 1.240 and minus 0.643. Listen, here they asked to find three significance. So three significance now after the decimal we need 3 points. See 1.24. If you lift up to 24 you are not getting mark. 3 compulsory we need 3 values. So 1.240 minus 0.643. It's a very important in your board exam. Up to this exercise over. Next week we are going to see the next exercise. Okay, this is exercise 5.4 introduction. My exercise 5.4 fully nature of roots. For finding nature of roots we have 4 conditions. I mentioned 4 conditions here. Listen, if it is a quadratic equation, the condition in the nature of roots, the condition is b squared minus 4ac. In the quadratic formula we are using inside of the square root, no, the same condition. These conditions can call it by discriminant. So discriminant now we can mention it capital D. D equal to b squared minus 4ac. Here we have 4 conditions. Listen, if b squared greater than 4ac means we have 2 real and different roots. We have 2x value, no, the both also real and different roots. Like x equal to 4, x equal to 5 like that. Next b squared minus 4ac less than 4ac now, no real roots. We don't have any real roots. Next b squared equal to 4ac now, 2 real and equal roots. Both x equal to 5, again x equal to 5. Next b squared greater than or equal to 4ac now, 2 real roots. Listen here, 2 real and equal roots. Here 2 real roots. What's the difference between this? 2 real and equal roots now, x equal to 5 now, again x equal to 5. 2 real roots now, x equal to 4 and x equal to both also positive numbers. So this is the introduction of exercise 5.4. Next video we will see the exercise sums. Thank you students.